Hello and welcome back again to the Power Up tutorial channel. Today we are going to be continuing our series of Power Up challenge walkthrough, but this is actually going to be a short video. I just wanted to um, add some spice to the model-driven app by adding icons, SVG icons, and that's what this video is all about. But like before, make sure you hit that subscription button and add the notification bell. All right, let's get right into it. This is, like I said, this is going to be a short video. Right now, your solution should look like this. And then, so we are just going to add some SVG icons. So for the first one, we're going to do is the shelter home. I'm just going to go straight to the SVG icons, open advanced options. And then for here, I want you to choose a table image. We're not going to use new image icons. We're just going to choose a table image. And the one we are looking for the shelter location is going to be analysis result SVG. Select that and hit save. All right, now we're in the foster family table. Just click on the properties, same as before. For this, we are looking for app list icon. Right here. And hit save. And then for animal info, same as before, properties. And this one we are looking for product lists. It's going to be down on the bottom. All right, found it. So it's the name we are looking for is product icon sample product icon. Once you're done with that, hit save. All right, so now we're done with that. If you come here, you should have more web resources. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to change the icon for the model-driven app. As you can see, the SVG icons have already taken effect. But for the model-driven app, we're just going to open this, use web resources. Select an icon. Time around, you can actually pick from old resources, but we're using our own resources. So just hit new web resources. Choose file to select the resources. I'm going to use my image. All right, so the display name is going to be shelter logo and ASD_shelter logo. Type is going to be JPEG and description is shelter logo for model driven app, and just hit save and publish. And then we search for our shelter logo here. And once you found it, just select your logo and hit apply. And make sure you hit publish. And that is how you change the icons for the tables and for the model-driven app. I usually like to, when I'm done with all this, I like to go back here. As you can see, everything has been added. Just hit publish all customizations to make sure everything gets pushed through. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for joining me again. Like I said, this is going to be a short video just showing how to change the SVG icons. Thank you and goodbye. See you in the next video.